actually come in and register themselves. And finally, and also we provide social network integration. We also have a Gyan corner called dashboard, which is the homepage for all the logged in users. We allow to create, distribute, conduct and attend trainings on GyanFinder.com, and we provide a very sophisticated search algorithm of trainings and expert profiles to find what you want. And we also have a seamless payment integration. So basically, creating to also getting paid can all be done on GyanFinder. And finally, we have advertisements creation and display. These are the primary features currently we are offering on GyanFinder right now. So let me show you or unveil the product and the screenshots, how it looks like. So this is the home page of GyanFinder. So here we have the logo, we have the search, and these are the main menus: trainers, advertise, advantage. We have support, about us, blog, basically a login. We have a Gyan of the day, lunch, teach, connect and advertise. Basically these are our primary areas of interest. And individual trainer can register on the site. Basically this is a registration form. Organization can register as well on our site. And after registration, what they can do is basically create a training. So basically they can actually add the metadata. Now this is the most important aspect. So trainings are created, which is common. There's a lot of sites that are offering that. What is special about GyanFinder is its integration towards various social networks where your existence has more presence. So basically you can just create a training and basically everybody inside your social network can actually have access to it. So there's more publicity to your knowledge. So you can share the training and share it on Facebook, share it on LinkedIn, share it on MySpace. So we have integrated with all the major social networks. You can also tweet this is a Twitter. You can get contacts from Gmail, you can get contacts from Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, and basically send out the email list. And basically this particular training that you have created gets disseminated to all these contacts that you have created. And this is the whiteboard software that I was talking about. So you can also write down and you can start putting your slides in. There's quite a bit of technicality to it, but it's pretty easy to use. Then finally, after you attend the training, and you will have a chance to actually provide a feedback about the trainer itself. So that way we maintain a healthy list of trainers and trainees all across. And this is the sophisticated search that we have. Basically you can come and search for whatever trainings that you want. And also this shows up with advertisements of all the classroom trainings. And these are the further filtering into the trainings that you want. And basically there's also a search for profiles as well. And this is the dashboard. So this dashboard you might have seen all across in Facebook right now. So this is the profile, and basically your social network, whatever updates they create, all get jinxed up here. And this is the advertisement creation process. And we do have a very good support FAQ section. Anyway, so what is free on GyanFinder? For any trainer to come in, the creation of first 3 trainings for every trainer is actually free to develop credibility on the website. And trainees are free to attend any free trainings available on the website. So this is a very important concept so that you can just try to get into my mind and understand what we're trying to do. So at any point of time, a trainer can come into the system and start giving out his 3 free trainings. And at any point of time, every trainee or any person who wants to get knowledge has something free to attend for. And he finds a lot of free trainings and a lot of people are offering. So it's basically the website which is based on the scale of the people who attend. And text ads can be created for free with availability of minimum lead center features. So Gyan Web Solutions basically is a product development company. GyanFinder is developed by GyanWeb, of course, and GyanWeb Solutions aspires to build many scalable web-based products that are affordable and that will aid the society by improving and easing processing jobs in everyday's lives. So about me, my name is Vamsi Vanaparthi. I am co-founder and Chief Technical Officer of GyanWeb Solutions Private Limited and also Chief Architect for GyanFinder product. I have almost 10 years of solid expertise in web-based products, and I oversee all aspects of company's product research and development and day-to-day technical engagements. So the founders and directors, we have Kamesh Marthi, who is the COO and he is a co-founder. As a co-founder and CEO, Kamesh establishes and directs the execution of operating policies to meet overall company policies and objectives. We have Harish Vadada and we have Chavana Kondapalli. So this is organization structure. We are a pretty small startup. We have just started. We have directors on the top and operations manager who is doing the Indian operations here. And we have an engineering team, a quality assurance team, we have a creative team and also sales and marketing team. So basically, that's about the product and the product itself. This is just a small brief introduction. Let me know if you have any questions.
So what's a paid product?
Pardon me?
Paid products.
So basically,
Just demonstrated free registration, something like that, and I just want to know what paid products you are offering.
So we do allow you to create trainings, and we do allow you to actually price your trainings, and attendees can register for the training. And basically, because they have used the infrastructure to actually...
Yes, I understood everything what you demonstrate there.
Right.
Apart from free...
No, I'm not telling you free. I'm telling you the process.
Yeah.
So you can come in and put your training. Probably, let's say that you offer Java training. Right? So you can offer Java training for $1,000, right? So you can come in and start putting your database for basically a Java training, and you can put your metadata inside, all the product outline and everything, and you can start creating a time slot. Basically that December 22nd, I offer my first training, and the price for the training is $1,000, right? And our infrastructure, we allow you to publicize your training using your social network. And for every trainee who registers, because they have used our infrastructure, we charge a premium of 8%. And for every trainer who has used our infrastructure, we have a business model, and after you have completed your training, you can actually invoice us for your earnings. That is when we actually deduct your price of the money that you have spent or the infrastructure that you have used.
It may be 8% or 10%?
8% to 10%.
Okay, thank you.
Anybody has any other questions? Can you please pass me the mic?
How do you take care of the security of my content or the knowledge I am going to share with my trainees? Is it recorded somewhere on your website, stored somewhere?
Yes, basically it's a very interesting aspect. Basically, the way that it's going to be is the internals of the engine is you actually get assigned a room with the whiteboard software, and whatever happens between you and your attendees is all private. Nobody has access to it unless you want to sell it. Basically, everything gets recorded, and you do have access to sell it specifically outside, and nobody else has the access because you are the primary owner of the room. So do you get the point?
So all the content what I'm presenting, that's recorded somewhere. That's what I understood.
That's correct. Presenting especially. So there's different kinds of content that you're talking about, right? There's content like the training content, which is public, available for everybody.